Narrator. Welcome. Today we're going to dive into some essential tips and tricks to keep your heart healthy. Your heart works tirelessly for you, so let's show it some love with these easy-to-follow steps. Narrator. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in your heart health. Let's get started. Diet and nutrition. Narrator. First up, let's talk about diet. What you eat has a direct impact on your heart health. Tip 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Tip 2. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa can help lower your cholesterol. Tip 3. Include healthy fats in your diet. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are great sources of heart-healthy fats. Tip 4. Cut down on saturated fats and avoid trans fats. These are found in fried foods, baked goods, and processed snacks. Tip 5. Limit your salt intake. Too much sodium can raise your blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart disease. Tip 6. Choose lean proteins like fish, chicken, and plant-based options such as beans and lentils. Tip 7. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps your heart pump more efficiently.